Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best layered lace front wig currently available, the synthetic lace front wig 13x4 HD lace from WIGAGA. This wig isn't just another option on the shelf. It's a game changer for anyone looking to elevate their hair game with minimal effort and maximum impact. First off, let's talk about what makes this wig stand out. You're looking at a 26-inch long, straight, black lace front wig with an incredibly natural appearance. The 13x4 HD lace front is designed to create a seamless, undetectable hairline, melting beautifully into your skin thanks to its thin ear-to-ear coverage and tiny pre-plucked knots. That means no harsh lines or fake-looking edges, just a soft, realistic hairline that mimics the look of natural hair. Now, although this wig is synthetic, it doesn't feel like it. The fibers are high-quality, heat-resistant, and designed to imitate the texture and movement of real human hair. When you run your fingers through it or let it catch the wind, the difference is barely noticeable. Plus, it has a healthy, natural luster that avoids the overly shiny look that some synthetic wigs suffer from. What's really beginner-friendly about this wig is the construction. It features a glueless design with a breathable 3D dome cap that fits most head sizes, about 22.5 inches, and it includes 4 internal combs and adjustable straps. So whether you're new to wigs or just want something quick and easy, this wig goes on securely without the need for glue or extra tools. It's designed for everyday wear and comfort, without compromising on style. The layered hairstyle adds dimension and volume, giving you a fresh salon look without stepping out of your home. And with the 13x4 hand-tied lace area, you have versatile styling options: middle part, side part, C-part, or even a free part. That level of flexibility makes this wig perfect for different face shapes and personal style preferences. Weight-wise, it comes in at around 245 grams. Light enough to stay comfortable all day but dense enough to offer full, flattering coverage. Whether you're heading to work, going out for the evening, or getting ready for a special occasion, this wig is designed to make you feel instantly polished and confident. In the box, you're not just getting the wig. You'll also receive wig caps, which help keep your natural hair in place and improve the overall fit. It's a small touch, but it shows this product is designed with real users in mind. This wig is perfect for those who want style and quality without the maintenance or high cost of real human hair wigs. It's ideal for weddings, parties, vacations, or just turning heads on an ordinary day. For those who want a high-end look on a budget, this is one of the best options you can find. So, if you're in the market for a sleek, natural-looking, beginner-friendly wig that delivers style and convenience, the WIGAGA 13x4 HD lace front wig is hands down one of the best choices out there. That's it for today's review. Make sure to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth looks at the best beauty and lifestyle products on the market. See you in the next one.